Congratulations! You are now a Pinterest manager, Pinterest VA, or Pinterest strategist. You are so excited about your new business and cannot wait to support beautiful, aligned clients. The dust has settled, and oh my God, how are you going to find clients? Listen, I have heard this particular question or moment of panic so many times that I wanted to create a video talking about how to find clients as a Pinterest manager, Pinterest VA, or strategist. If you're new here, hello, my name is Megan Williamson. I'm most well known for being a Pinterest expert and educator, but I also mentor and support coach Pinterest managers and strategists just like you. So if I've heard it once, I've heard it a million times. Megan, how do I find clients for my Pinterest business? And I get it. Offering Pinterest services, that is just the first hurdle. And then you actually have to think about the business side of things. So recently I queried my email list and I said, if I could teach you about anything in the area of being a Pinterest manager, what is the one thing you want me to teach? And I heard overwhelmingly a big yes to teaching about how to find clients. And so I find that a lot of people who gravitate towards offering Pinterest services really first find the platform. Maybe you had success with it. Maybe you had a different business or you were supporting another business in another role and you started to help them with Pinterest and you just fall in love with the visual platform. So you decide to learn everything you can about Pinterest strategy and Pinterest marketing, which congratulations, amazing, hats off. That is the first step to battling imposter syndrome or any of those worries. I really want you to focus on arming yourself with a toolbox of the strong foundation in understanding how to create, adapt, and construct Pinterest strategy for others. So it's one thing to understand Pinterest for yourself, but how you create strategy for other businesses is really what will help you feel really confident and comfortable in your marketing knowledge. So your baseline is education, okay? Next, I want you to really think about who you want to work with. So before we can get you clients, we have to think about who you want to work with, who you want to support in terms of niche, business model, industries. I want you to think about who your ideal client or clients would be. Now with that, I also want you to do some work thinking about who you have a natural affinity or who you have a natural desire to love, to support, and work with. So what type of person are they? What are they like? What would you guys talk about? I want you to think beyond just the basics and really think about the values and things that make you really excited to wake up and help that person. Because being in a service-based industry, it is so much easier if you really love and admire and like supporting your clients. Otherwise, you're going to end up being resentful and crash and burn out from your business. So we've thought about education. We've thought about preparing our toolbox of really understanding Pinterest at a deeper level and supporting other people with it. We're thinking about who we want to work with, what niche, what industry, what business model, and then what type of people we naturally love to work with. Now, what comes after all of that, Megan? Well, after all of that, we have to think about how people are going to find you. And really the overarching theme here is your marketing. And I do understand that some people are more introverted, some people are more extroverted or love marketing. But what I need you to acknowledge is that no matter what, you have to make a way for people to find you. So when I teach business marketing, even outside of this world of being a mentor to Pinterest managers, is that we really think about having two levers that work in our business. One that drives discoverability. So how would people hear about you, find out about you, find you? So do you have an element of discoverability in your marketing plan? And then how would they get to know you better or create connection or community with you? And so when you think about your marketing at a very basic level, I want you to think about how you can make it easy for future clients to find you, to learn about you, and to decide that they might want to inquire with you about your offers or your services or how to get to know you better to see if you are a good fit. There are undoubtedly a ton of people out there looking actively for the thing that you do, and you need to make it easy for them to find you. One of those things that you're going to want to think about is a simple website. You're also going to want to think about what marketing channels would best allow you to show up in the right place at the right time for that future client. Remember, people don't want to hire someone who just has an email address. Now, maybe if you come with a strong referral from somebody else and you have an amazing network, that's great. You are a unicorn. But for most of us, people are quietly going to be checking who you are, what you do. Do you have any testimonials, some case studies? What is your pricing, or what is your pricing start at? And these are the basic ingredients of what you need in place for people to begin to find you. Now, to create a sustainable flywheel or cycle of people discovering who you are, what you offer, and how you can support them, you need to think about what you need to do today so that your future clients can find you. And so what I want you to really think about is what forms of discoverability you're going to work in your marketing. Do you want to blog or have a podcast or maybe have a YouTube channel? Maybe you are going to lean into search engine optimization for your website. Maybe you are going to show up on places like Threads or TikTok or Instagram. But I do want you to think about how you are going to put yourself out there and create a constant funnel or flywheel of people discovering who you are so they can learn about your work, and when they are ready, that they can easily reach out to you. You want to create a business that makes it really easy that they can find out about the offers you have, the services you have, without having to send you a DM. So do you have a website? Do you have somewhere they can see what you offer and your rates and how they can work with you? We are in the stage where people like to lurk, to look around before they will even send you an email or a DM. So what I really recommend is you get intentional, that you plan out that pathway for clients, and you make it easy for them to learn about your unique way that you can support them with Pinterest marketing. Now, I hope that you found that helpful. I'm going to be creating more videos about being a Pinterest manager, about growing, scaling your business so that I can have a bigger impact with those of you who love Pinterest as much as I do. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I have, a guest star here. Coco's here to tell you that we love teaching all things Pinterest marketing, but also helping Pinterest managers and strategists grow their businesses so they can love the work they do as much as we do, so they can be home with their rescue doggies. Molly's in the background as well. Hope that you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.